Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find Horizon Stunt Party Chaos event in Forza Horizon 6. So this event is completely random, so if it appears on your game then you'll receive a notification. You just have to set root and access the event. But if you miss the notification and you want to find if this event is available or not, then open your map every 15 minutes and try to find this Horizon Stunt Party. By the way, the type of this event is completely random. Sometimes you'll find wreckage event and sometimes you'll get chaos event. So just try to find this on your map and then head there. After that, make sure to sign up here by pressing X on Xbox or square on PlayStation before the timer runs out. And if you sign up before the timer ends, then the matchmaking will be started. And once matchmaking is done, you will enter the Horizon Stunt Party and then you can access the event. The chaos event is random, that's why you just have to keep looking in your map, and if it is available you can access it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.